Formed in 2012, Leo is recognized as one of the leading companies of its type in the world, with 9 offices worldwide supporting its global members and customers. Leo has launched in 140 countries and offers equal opportunities for all. Over 300,000 members are using Leo products and growing their business each and every day. With 4 DSA memberships, Leo is committed to transparent trading and was awarded the DSA Industry Innovation Award in 2016. The company has conducted over 95 live seminars to over 33,000 delegates worldwide. Leo has hosted 5 global conferences in some of the world's most luxurious locations, and has held 3 leadership summits for Leo leaders. In total, Leo has paid out over £72 million in commissions and bonuses to its members. Leo uniquely has 4 ownership models for its members: Leo Crowd, Leo Tower, Leo Gold and Leo Banking. As a company, Leo is completely debt-free. Leo has world-class leadership with disruptive entrepreneurs, ensuring Leo is always setting trends, is technologically advanced and future-proof. Leo, the right choice for you and your dreams.